Today I'm going to show you how to set up email in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks Desktop. At the top left, click Edit. Then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the left side menu and click Send Forms. Now make sure you're on the My Preferences tab. From here, choose how you want QuickBooks to send emails. You can select Outlook if you want to use Microsoft Outlook, or select Webmail if you want to use an email service like Gmail. If you choose Webmail, click Add. Enter your email address, then choose your email provider. QuickBooks may detect the provider automatically. For example, if you enter a Gmail address, it may select Gmail for you. Next, follow the sign-in steps. You may be asked to sign into your Intuit account first. After that, you may need to authorize QuickBooks to connect with your email account. Follow the prompts on the screen until the setup is complete. Once everything is connected, QuickBooks will be able to send forms like invoices, estimates, and statements through your selected email account. And that's how to set up email in QuickBooks Desktop in 2026.